So guys, for the first method, you want to ensure that the HDMI cable is properly connected to both the computer and the display. Now for the second method, you want to try to use a different HDMI cable, see if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And now you want to close out of this. Now you want to expand sound, video, and game controllers. You should have something that's called high definition audio device, or something similar to that. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it should be showing your monitors right here. Under it, it should be saying detect. You want to click on detect, see if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio, you want to double click on it. And then change the startup type to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you just want to right click on Windows Audio again, and then click on restart. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.